In this video, we're creating a clean and minimal 4-digit PIN input design, perfect for login screens, verification codes, or authentication pages. It's smooth, simple, and user-friendly, with subtle hover and focus animations that make the interface feel responsive and modern. And the best part? It's built entirely with pure HTML and CSS. In this video, we're designing a modern 4-digit PIN input, a clean and practical element used in so many interfaces today. You've probably seen something like this on verification pages, login screens, or two-factor authentication prompts. It's a simple yet essential part of the user experience, especially when security and clarity matter. The idea is to make entering short codes quick, effortless, and visually clear. Each input box holds a single digit, keeping the layout structured and easy to follow. When users focus on a box, they immediately know where they are. And subtle hover or focus effects make the whole interaction feel more dynamic and alive. We'll be building this using just HTML and CSS, no JavaScript at all. You'll see how to create smooth transitions, balanced spacing, and responsive styling that works perfectly on both desktop and mobile. This small component may look simple, but it plays a huge role in how professional and trustworthy your interface feels. A well-designed PIN input can turn a boring verification step into something clean, intuitive, and even enjoyable to use. Simple, elegant, and built with just a few lines of code. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this tutorial, there's more on the way.